In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create block quotes on WhatsApp Web. Whether you're looking to highlight a particular message or add emphasis to your chat, using block quotes can be a handy tool. It allows you to make parts of your conversation stand out in the sleekest, most efficient way possible. Now, let's dive into the details on how to achieve this on WhatsApp Web. First things first, you'll need to go into the specific chat where you wish to send your message. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or even a business discussion. By navigating directly to the chat, you ensure that you're ready to start typing your message right where it needs to go. Make sure you have stable internet connectivity to prevent any interruptions while you work. Now, in your chat window, direct your attention to the message box where you usually type your messages. This is where the magic of creating a block quote begins. To start crafting your block quote, you'll want to type a greater than symbol. This is the angle bracket facing right and looks like this. You can find this symbol on your keyboard, typically located by pressing the Shift key and the period key simultaneously. Adding this symbol is essentially telling WhatsApp, hey, I want this part of the text to be treated differently. Following the greater than symbol, make sure to put in a space. This might seem minor, but the space is crucial as it signals the start of your actual quoted text. Without this space, WhatsApp might not recognize your intention to create a block quote, and the effect you're going for could be lost. Once you've placed the greater than symbol and added a space, you are now ready to type the text that you want to appear as a block quote. Think about what you want to emphasize or make stand out in your conversation. Is it an important detail, an interesting fact, or perhaps a memorable quote from someone else? As you type, you'll see the text appear in the chat box as normal, but rest assured that when you send this message, WhatsApp will format it with that distinct style indicative of a block quote. After you've typed your message, press enter. Watch as magic transforms your text into a fantastic, visually distinct block quote. This format gives it a subtle indentation and a color change, drawing immediate attention to the text. Using block quotes can enhance your dialogues, improve readability, and help convey hierarchical information in a straightforward manner. And there you have it. You're now equipped to make your conversations more dynamic by using block quotes on WhatsApp Web. This little feature can definitely upgrade how you communicate important ideas or highlight parts of your discussions. So why wait? Go ahead and